Hey everyone, my name is Claire and I'm a nurse practitioner. Today I'm here to talk about some ways for new nurse practitioners to feel more confident and secure entering practice. I think one of the main stressors that new grads have is feeling unprepared and stressed about all the unknowns that lay ahead. I certainly felt this way when I was a new nurse practitioner, and I was lucky enough to learn about private supervision or private consultation, which really helped me feel more confident in my role. If you haven't heard of it before, private supervision is a scheduled meeting with an experienced clinician, likely a physician or nurse practitioner, whom you agree to meet with on a regular basis to have your questions answered, to review difficult patient cases, and really help gain your clinical competence and confidence in the role. Private supervision is often something that you pay for in order to meet with the provider, kind of taking their time in exchange, they're sharing their knowledge with you. But in return, the benefits and the value you get from feeling um, more comfort and just experience through another experienced provider's lens is really helpful. I know when I was a new grad, I met with a provider for months on end. We'd meet on weekends, every weekend, and I'd ask them questions about difficult patient cases I was experiencing, medication adjustments, help interpreting lab results, and it was just really helpful to be able to meet with someone who had a lot of experience and knowledge to have my questions answered. I felt a lot more supported in the role, and I think I gained a lot of confidence along my journey as well. I also felt like there was someone else that I could meet with and feel validated in some of my struggles. I was struggling with some imposter syndrome and feeling overwhelmed and struggling with documentation, and hearing someone else validate my experiences and share that they had those same struggles and still have those same struggles made me feel a lot more comfortable. And so I highly recommend new nurse practitioners seek out a provider to do private supervision with to help ease the stress and unknowns and uncertainty along your transition to practice. I promise it'll help you feel a lot more secure in your journey. Also, I have created a course that helps new nurse practitioners navigate the transition from before graduation through your first job, but it helps clarify a lot of the uncertainty and unknowns along the path by helping create a step-by-step path of what you need to do. So if you're interested and you want to check it out, you can go to my website, npfornps.com, and check the course out. I hope to see you on the inside.